tumekuja hapa katika shughuli ya muhimu. If there is one project that is as important as our lives, it is the management of climate change that poses existential threat to humanity. We must deal with it firmly, resolutely. Let me also say this as we launch this process. Those entities that are polluting our rivers, the industries that are polluting our rivers, the manufacturing entities that are polluting our rivers, the raw sewage that is coming from our public entities, the solid waste that is in this river coming from different places, on the basis of extended producer responsibility, each and every one of them will be held to account. All of us, if you are going to be polluting the river, you must prepare to make sure that you are held to account and you pay for it, so that we can keep the river clean and everybody becomes responsible for their behavior. If you are not in good behavior, know that you are going to pay for bad behavior.